I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna fish. First, select your preferred canned tuna, whether it's packed in water or oil. Next, gather your essential ingredients: mayonnaise, finely chopped celery, and diced red onion. Make sure you have a medium-sized mixing bowl and a sturdy fork ready. These initial steps ensure you have everything at hand for a smooth and delicious preparation process, setting the stage for a perfect meal. Now let's get to mixing. Begin by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to remove any excess water or oil. Transfer the drained tuna to your mixing bowl and use a fork to gently flake it apart. Then, add about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, and 2 tablespoons of diced onion. Mix these ingredients well until they are evenly combined. It's time to season your tuna fish to perfection. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For extra flavor, you might consider incorporating sweet relish, a touch of Dijon mustard, or some fresh dill. Remember to taste as you go and adjust the mayonnaise to achieve your desired creamy consistency. This allows for a truly personalized and delicious result. Your delicious tuna fish is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, with crackers for a quick snack, or in crisp lettuce wraps for a lighter option. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.